Okay, let's dive right in. A massive military operation is unfolding in the Caribbean.
This is the largest U.S. force sent to the region since the invasion of Panama in 1989.
We're talking an assault ship, destroyers, fighter jets, and thousands of U.S. Marines.
Then, a surgical strike. U.S. Special Forces capture President Nicolás Maduro in a raid. This came right after the U.S. doubled the bounty on his head to $50 million. And the official reason? To take down what the White House calls a narco-terrorist organization.
The U.S. claims Maduro leads the Cartel of the Suns, run by top Venezuelan officials.
But here's the thing. There's a huge debate about whether this cartel is even real. On one hand, the U.S. government's claim. On the other, sources saying it might not exist. In fact, news outlets and even a recent U.S. State Department report question the whole story. So beyond the facts, there's another question. Was this whole thing even legal? Some legal experts are calling it an act of war that might have violated the UN Charter. And under all this, you've got another huge factor. Venezuela has the world's largest oil reserves.
This conflict didn't happen overnight. It's been building for decades through crisis after crisis.
So if the cartel is debatable and oil's in play, what's the real strategic goal here?
A U.S. ambassador pretty much said it out loud. It's about who controls the energy.
And by adversaries, the U.S. means Russia, China, and Iran getting a foothold in the region.
But as one U.S. general warned, getting Maduro out might have been the easy part.
Because removing a leader can create a power vacuum, sparking chaos and regional instability.
The operation might be over, but for Venezuela, the real question is, what comes next?